In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a private Slack channel. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. Adding someone to a private channel in Slack is a straightforward process. First, you'll need to navigate to the specific channel that you want to manage. You can do this by either right-clicking on the channel name in your sidebar or by locating the three dots in the upper right corner of the channel. Once you click on those three dots, select Open Channel Details. This will bring up some useful information about the channel. Now that you have the channel details open, look for the Members tab in the pop-up window. Click on that to see the current list of members in the channel. This is where you'll be able to add the new person. Next, you'll want to click on the Add People button. A new window will pop up, allowing you to choose how you'd like to add members. Now, there's an important distinction to keep in mind here, depending on whether you're adding people to a public or private channel. If you're in a public channel, you have a couple of options when it comes to adding members. You can search for and add people individually, or if you're feeling a little ambitious, you can opt to add everyone in the workspace at once. Just hit the Add button after you've made your selections. But today, we're focusing on private channels. So if you're adding someone to a private channel, here's what you need to know. Once you click to add members, a prompt will appear reminding you that the new members will be able to see the entire channel history and any shared files. It's crucial to be aware of this before proceeding. If you're okay with that and want to continue, go ahead and click Continue. After that, you will need to type in the names of the individuals you want to add. Remember, since this is a private channel, you cannot select multiple people from your entire workspace at once. Every name needs to be added one by one. So go ahead and type in each name, selecting them as they appear in the list. Once you've added all the people you want to include, the final step is simple. Just click Add to officially add the selected members to the channel. And that's it. You've successfully added new members to your private Slack channel. Remember, effective communication in a workspace is essential, and adding important team members to the right channels ensures everyone stays in the loop. If you have any questions or run into any issues while adding people in Slack, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching today's video on adding someone to a private Slack channel. And again, if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button.